Overview of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. This presentation provides an introduction to AI and ML concepts, types, applications, and challenges. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Definition of AI. Computer systems performing human-like tasks such as reasoning and perception. Subfields. Includes natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. Key features. Automation, adaptability, and decision-making aimed at simulating human intelligence. Introduction to Machine Learning. Subset of AI. Enables systems to learn from data without explicit programming. Data-driven. Relies on large datasets for training and learning. Iterative learning. Models improve in accuracy with exposure to more data. Predictive capabilities. Can forecast trends, behaviors, and outcomes based on patterns. Key types of AI and ML. Types of AI. Narrow AI. Specialized for single tasks like voice assistants. General AI. Hypothetical AI with human-level intelligence. Super AI. Future AI surpassing human cognitive abilities. Types of ML. Supervised learning. Uses labeled data for training. Unsupervised learning. Identifies patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning. Learns from rewards through trial and error. Essential AI and ML concepts and terminology. Artificial intelligence is machine intelligence mimicking human cognition. Machine learning lets systems learn from data without explicit codes. Deep learning uses layered neural networks to analyze complex data. Algorithm defines step-by-step procedures to solve problems. Dataset is related data used for training and testing ML models. Core terminology in AI and ML. Supervised learning. Models train on labeled data to make predictions. Example. Housing price prediction from past sales. Unsupervised learning. Models find patterns in unlabeled data automatically. Example. Customer segmentation for marketing. Reinforcement learning. Agents learn decision-making to maximize rewards. Example. AI mastering games like chess. Neural network. Computing systems inspired by human brains. Used in image and language tasks. Bias. Systematic errors causing unfair or wrong predictions. Example. Gender bias in facial recognition tech. Applications of AI and ML. Healthcare. AI diagnostics, personalized treatment, and drug discovery. Finance. Detecting fraud, trading algorithms, and financial risk analysis. Transportation. Self-driving cars and traffic flow prediction systems. E-commerce. Product recommendations and inventory optimization. Education. Adaptive learning platforms and student performance analytics. Challenges and ethical considerations. Challenges. Data bias affecting fairness of AI outputs. Interpretability. Understanding AI decisions is complex. Overfitting. Models memorize training noise, reducing generalization. Ethical concerns. Privacy risks related to data collection and usage. Job displacement and societal inequality due to automation. Future outlook. 1. Ongoing transformation. AI and ML will keep reshaping multiple industries. 2. Advanced technologies. Growth in deep learning, generative AI, and explainability. And 3. Human-machine collaboration. Smarter AI enhances interaction and productivity. We appreciate your support. Please like, share, and subscribe to help us continue delivering high-quality content. Together, we can reach new heights of growth and excellence.